Alright guys. We're outside the prison and we're about to assault it. We got a formulated plan with all of us in different sectors, and we're going to break out Dr. Eggman, and we are going to, I don't know, Junior's doing this part. I don't really care about this part, but Junior's going to get Lemmy or some shit.
Yeah, we're gonna get Lemmy. He's my girlfriend.
Where's Wallace? You have to stay at the base because we can't trust him.
Yeah, he's probably using one off. Guys, I hear a song coming on. Chunga,
Wait.
chunga, 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 chunga.
No.
Chunga,
Stop.
Chunga, chunga, chunga.
Stop.
Chunga, 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 chunga.
If you
Ooh,
continue,
chunga,
you're
ooh,
a
chunga,
fuckface.
bigger, chunga, ooh. Bagga, chunga, bagga, chunga, bagga, chunga, ah la la. Bagga, chunga, bagga, chunga, bagga, chunga, la.
Fuckface.
Hey.
If you hit me again, you're a cunt face.
Yeah, chunga, do you want to be a cunt face? Yeah.
Cunt face.
I'm a cunt face. Woo!
Bastard.
She's a shit cunt. No, shit cunt. Ah, you're a shit cunt. Ah.
Shh.
Guys, quick, hide. Someone's coming. There's nowhere to hide. Oh, it's just Eggman.
Wait, he got out? Guy, Chungus, look. He got out.
Eggman? Guys, that's not Eggman. He's not fat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not Eggman, guys. It must be a god. I'm pretty sure that's Eggman.
If it's a guy, we gotta beat him up.
Yeah, we gotta beat him up.
That's not gonna do anything. Are you sure about that? It is I, Dr. Eggman.
Eggman, you lost weight.
Yes, what do you expect? I don't even know how long I was in there. Weeks of not being able to eat anything that's good.
How did you lose that much weight in like 2 weeks? Unrealistic.
I was going to explain, but then you had to be a smart ass and try appeal to the
Smart
dumbasses.
Chungus. A smarty bunny at last night. Oh, we didn't do an Easter special. I forgot that.
I don't care. Anyways.
Hi, Eggman. It's good to see you again. I didn't doubt you. They thought you were a different person, but I knew it was you because I'm your best friend. And I never betray your side.
I knew it was you too, Eggman.
No, you didn't. You said it was a god and you were going to beat him up, and then Shrek came and attacked.
No.
No.
That was Larry.
No, Larry's dead.
Cooper.
No, not.
We had these enslaved, if I am correct.
Hi, Eggman.
So.
Hey, Eggman.
Harry.
It's good to see you, bro.
Yes. Wait, how did you escape with this? They gave me this, which is supposed to keep me in check. You know, if I get out, it's supposed to tase me. It's also a tracker, but unfortunately, it's impossible to keep a genius like me in check.
I don't understand why they haven't killed you. I swear, you're so lucky. You're like the luckiest villain ever.
I count on it. Maybe I do have some favors on the outside, perhaps. Who knows? You'll never know my true secrets.
Okay, look. Well,
Anyways, plans.
it's good that you came out because it solved this trouble.
Plans.
But guys, it's not done yet.
Actually, it is. I need to get out.
No, it's not.
Where is our latest base?
It's not done for me.
Then you go. Some of you take me back to our nearest safe house, and then I can begin my new plan. Oh shit, you're back to all the plan stuff? Yes, I am. Back to the old plan stuff. And this time, there will be no way that hedgehog will stop me. Actually, this time it's a new hedgehog. You know Sinos? Remember him? Well, guess what? He's all grown up now, and he's taken up his father's mantle. But he's just a scared little kid, and it'll be so much more fun to terrify him to death before killing him.
Why did we bring in Cinnamon? He could have left. He could have betrayed us. Okay, but anyway, look. I know
your
it's
colors.
I know it's.
Cinnamon. You will take me back to the base.
I know it's over for you guys, but it's not for me.
Then go.
Because I need to get Lemmy. Larry, Iggy, are you coming? No, Junior, we're not getting captured. You do it. Yeah. Oh, really? So you're going to leave me to do this one task?
I'll go with you.
Will you?
Yeah.
Thanks, Woody.
And the rest of you, we return to base. Then I shall start my latest plan.
Wait, so you're back?
Yes, Dr. Robotnik, Dr. Eggman, fully back.
Ah, cool. Well, thanks, Woody. You're the only one who actually cares about my troubles.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Now, my new henchman. Ready to assist me in my new quest for...
I'm not a henchman. I'm a rabbit.
Rule number 1, you will not interrupt me. Rule number 2, I am the boss of all of you and all things. Rule number 3, rule number 3,
Actually, I'm
rule
the boss.
number 3.
I'm the boss.
You are kicked.
No, I'm the boss.
Fine, well,
I'm Big Chungus, the best meme ever. Look at me, rabbit.
actually, you suck. Anyways, listen up.
Best meme ever, shit ass.
I'm not a part of the retards. I'm just employing you. That's how it's going to be now. I'm Dr. Eggman. The soon-to-be conqueror of everything around you, okay? You guys are in my employ.
I don't give a rat's ass. Can we go?
Ah, that's a good way to see it. Someone needs to drag Shrek. Oh, wait, I can stun him back awake.
Oh, fucking dick.
Whoa! What's up, Eggman?
My ass hurts.
Oh, so does mine.
And now, my nose hurts.
Shrek, will you assist me in my quest for world domination? Well,
Get out the way.
what do I get if I help you? You get unlimited cheesecake. We're helping him. The retard is helping him. I'm in charge of the retards after all.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, I am.
Chungus is.
No, I am.
Chunga,
No, I am.
Chunga. No! Would he help me? We haven't actually left yet.
Well, I can't reach myself.
Alright, let's go.
Well,
Chunga!
Stop it, fuckont!
It's cross on you, wanker.
Fuckont.
You are an
Fuck on.
ogre. Wake up, you lazy mare. You are an ogre. Wake up, you lazy mare. You lazy morgue.
Smell that, you green fuck.
Hey, I'm the one who says the morgue.
Okay, Chungus, calm down. Now, you, Incineroar, you will be my bodyguard, because I like your colours.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I mean, I am the toughest here, so yeah.
Yes, so it makes sense for you to me. No, I'm the toughest here, shut up.
Oh, I trained you.
Exactly. Just remember, though, don't betray me, because I have a little thing called the roboticizer, which will make you work for me regardless.
Eggman. Mm-hmm. So, okay, 1, you talk too much. 2, you make me tired. And 3, you've been talking for so long that this video is 8 minutes.
Ah, split it then.
No, I'm not doing that. I can't be arsed.
Well, maybe Chungus will be asked. All I can see is his ass after all.
Arse.
Anyways, time to take over everything.
Let's go. Wait, why are we going to the prison area?
No, we're not. We're going back to the safe house. Oh, I'll lead the way. Okay, go, Shrek.
Oh, yeah, Eggman, you know how you told me all your bases and you said I was in charge? Well, I went to your high top secret base.
Good boy.
Thank you.
And now, there's a ton of secret things that you don't know, like secret robot factories and shit, just for this exact occasion. And now, here we go. New plan to take over everything. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Eggman was talking for 9 minutes.
Yep. That's what I do.
Huh.
There's no point insulting me, because I don't give a shit.
Well, this video is the longest video we've had in ages.
If it goes to 10 minutes, then split it.
Well, it's 9, so goodbye!